Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Snuff, your go-to spot for the latest car scoops, sneak peeks, and reviews. Today, we're diving into something that's made a serious comeback in recent years, the minivan. But not just any minivan. We're talking about the new 2027 Honda Odyssey. Honda is shaking things up in the family hauler game, and this refreshed Odyssey has a lot more than just cup holders and sliding doors. Now, we know minivans aren't always the cool choice, but Honda clearly didn't get that memo. The 2027 Odyssey doesn't just look more confident and refined. It's smarter, more high-tech, and more comfortable than ever. Whether you're doing the school drop-off or heading out on a road trip, this thing is built for the modern family with a taste for convenience and comfort. It's still the same reliable people mover we've known for years, but now it feels elevated, like it finally got the premium glow-up it always deserved. Let's talk design. The new Odyssey gets a sleek redesign that ditches the bland, boxy look of older minivans. Up front, the fascia is sharper with a redesigned grille and slim LED headlights that give it a bit of an SUV vibe. The hood is slightly more sculpted, and the lower front bumper now features more aggressive styling elements. From the side, you'll see cleaner lines, flush door handles, and updated alloy wheel designs ranging from 18 to 20 inches depending on trim level. Around back, new LED taillights stretch wider across the rear liftgate, and a subtle roof spoiler adds a bit of flair. There's even a new two-tone color option available, giving you some extra personality if you're tired of basic silver or white. Step inside, and the 2027 Honda Odyssey immediately feels more upscale and more practical. It's been redesigned with families in mind, but doesn't skimp on comfort or tech. The dashboard has a clean layout with soft-touch materials, and it features a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Google apps like Maps and Assistant. Behind the wheel, there's a fully digital instrument cluster, and top trims come with a head-up display to keep your eyes on the road. Honda's signature Magic Slide second-row seats are still here, letting you configure the cabin in all kinds of ways, from extra cargo space to easier access to the third row. The third row itself folds flat into the floor, offering best-in-class storage capacity. Under the hood, the 2027 Odyssey keeps things practical but efficient. Honda has replaced the old V6 with a new 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, delivering around 275 horsepower while significantly improving fuel efficiency. The hybrid setup gives it smoother power delivery, better torque off the line, and fewer stops at the pump. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission that's been retuned for improved responsiveness. Plus, for the first time ever, an all-wheel drive option is available. Perfect for families who deal with snowy winters or just want the added grip. And despite being a minivan, this thing handles surprisingly well for its size, with improved suspension tuning for a more car-like ride. The 2027 Honda Odyssey is expected to hit dealerships in late 2026, with pre-orders likely starting a few months before. Pricing is expected to start around $39,000 for the base trim, while top-of-the-line models with all the bells and whistles will go up to around $52,000. That puts it right in the sweet spot of value, considering the amount of tech, comfort, and utility packed into this updated minivan. So, there you have it. The new 2027 Honda Odyssey is proof that the minivan is alive, well, and cooler than ever. Whether you're hauling kids, gear, pets, or just cruising in comfort, this Odyssey is ready for any journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, tap that notification bell, and subscribe to Auto Snuff for more deep dives, test drives, and new car previews coming your way every week. See you on the next one.